Hello and namaste all. We are the founders of Growth Circle, here to bring you inspiring stories of women entrepreneurs. In today's episode, we are joined by Aishwarya, the founder of BWise 365.
My brand is BWise 365. We are into healthy milk mixes for kids and adults.
What makes it stand out?
Our base is nuts. In fact, like almonds, millets, superfood, ragi, banana, and it is sweetened with jaggery.
The challenges of balancing family and business,
It is a difficult task, most challenging one, I would say.
and much more. Let's dive into her story.
So we have three variants: chocolate, beetroot, and sattu. So what goes into our products are like minimal 5 to 6 ingredients. So when compared to the commercial products, which has the base as malt, milk solids, and refined sugar, our base is nuts. In fact, like almonds, millets, superfood, ragi, banana, and it is sweetened with jaggery. So with the variants, so unsweetened cocoa goes into it, beetroot, and sattu. So these are the natural nutrition you can add to your kids' food. And the family and as a whole, we were always interested in like healthy food, clean nutrition. So maybe this interest towards the food, it has more become stronger after I became a mother. So maybe it has become more stronger when I'm mother of two. So that's when I thought it's the time like I want to get into the space like where the way I'm creating the products to my kids, like what I make at home, I can provide the same to my clients, like customers. So we ensure our product safety at every step. So right from the sourcing ethical preservative-free ingredients and maintaining strict hygiene during the production and packaging. So every product of ours is fresh, clean and safely sealed. It's the standard, the way that I expect for my kids and family to have. We are also partnered with IMAR, NutriHub. So they are our R&D partners. We are soon launching millet-based ready-to-eat and ready-to-drink products like cookies, energy bars, and instant soups. Also, we are aiming to partner with offices, cafes, and schools.
Driving a business and family, so it's like raising another child, so which needs that nurturing and constant attention and care from your end. So that's how you can build the dream that you want to see, right from the seed stage to the final goal where you want to reach. Even though you feel that anxiety and the disappointment sometimes where you feel, okay, why are you here? But the whole the story why you have started will inspire you every day, like that passion and love towards the work, why you're doing it. So that will motivate you on a daily basis and that will give you the energy to move forward. Every mother out there, every woman out there, they are doing the best that they can do, and you should appreciate that for it. Okay, don't get disheartened for not catching up with the others, like say men or people with less responsibilities. So recognize yourself, appreciate yourself, pack your bag.
We often struggle to find healthier alternatives for our kids. Aishwarya solved this problem by creating a healthy alternative which kids absolutely love, including my son. If you're also trying to solve a problem and working on your own startup, please do share about your ideas and what you're doing. We would love to know more about you and feature you in our upcoming episodes. And finally, please like, share and subscribe.